Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about the education system of UK. Firstly, we have discussed education system of South Korea, we have discussed education system of USA, we have discussed education system of Pakistan with comparison to elementary school system. Here we are going to discuss about education system of UK. And about UK, it is the country which is located in England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. England, Scotland and Wales share the island of Great Britain, which lies just off the northwest coast of continental Europe. The fourth country, Northern Ireland, is a portion of another island which is split between Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland, an independent country in the south. The UK also has overseas territories such as Bermuda and Gibraltar. Now about UK, United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, which capital is London. Population is about 62.8 million. Area is about 93,638 square kilometer miles. Major language which is English, and major religion is about Christianity. Life expectancy is 78 years in men and 82 years in women. Currency is pound, sterling, UN, World Bank. Now UK education system. Education system of UK is divided into four main parts, like primary education, secondary education, further education and higher education. Children in the UK have to legally attend primary and secondary school education, which runs from about 5 years old until the student is 16 years old. Administration of education in UK is education minister is always appointed by the Prime Minister. The minister has permanent secretaries to help him carrying out his official duties. The ministry is the controller as well as the director of educational board. He has the power to organize the school at any time. The local education authorities are elected bodies for the purpose of controlling schools under them. They also have voluntarily school under them. They employ teachers and pay their salaries as well. Each school has the power to select the textbooks for the use of its pupils. However, unlike primary and secondary school, higher institutions are not under the control of Ministry of Education. Now, financing of an education is 5.6% of total GDP on education is invested in UK. Key stages in education system of UK is 4 different stages, which is key stage 1 for the 5 to 7 years old child. Key stage 2 is for 7 to 11 years old. Key stage 3 is for 11 to 14 years old, and key stage 4 is about 14 to 16 years old. Act of education in UK is the development of education in Great Britain. The Catholic play significant roles as a quite number of schools of voluntarily schools were founded by them. However, the Education Act of 1902 gave the following 3 levels of education. These are primary education. Now primary education begins in UK as age of 5 and continues until age of 11. It comprising the key stages 1 and 2 under the educational system of UK. Now secondary education, age 11 to 16 students enter secondary school for key stage 3 and 4 and to start their move towards taking the GCSEs. Learn more about secondary education in UK. And primary and secondary education is mandatory in UK. After age 16, education is optional. Now further education. Further education is for the students finishing secondary education. They have the option to extend into further education to take their A levels. GNVQs and BTECs are other such qualifications. UK students planning to go to college or university must complete further education. Now for higher education is probability the most important subject area on this side. This explains more about the higher education system in UK and how it works for international students. Most international students will enter directly into the UK higher education system after completing their home country equivalent to the UK's further education. Then university education in England is the higher education institution. Both England and Wales include the universities, colleges education as well as polytechnic colleges. The most popular universities are Oxford University, which is founded in 1185, and Cambridge University, which is founded in 1230. These are the two oldest universities founded by the Church of England. In order to break the monopoly of both the Oxford University in 1828, school fees are being charged by the universities with which the universities are being financed, in addition to the financial aid from the public. Each university is the autonomous in respect of admission, examination and award degrees of among others. Then we are goes towards top 5 universities of UK are according to 2017: University of Cambridge, University of Oxford, University of St Andrews, University of Surrey and Loughborough. Now discuss about literacy rate is total 99% and male 99%, female 99%. Enrollment at total 11.7 million. Primary stage 4.50 million, secondary 2.75 million, post-secondary education 18,44,095, further education 26,13,700. Total is about 4,457,795. Now compulsory education is compulsory between age of 5 to 16, but attending the school is not compulsory. Also include homeschooling. School year runs from September to July, 39 weeks, and most school require students to wear a school uniform. Discuss about primary education, and primary education include 5 to 11-year-old childs, one teacher and close to home. Then it's include secondary schools. Secondary school age 11 to 16, comprehensive, no ability test, wide range of education, 88% of students, mixed sex, grammar, selective, academically oriented and one sex. Types of school is community schools, established and fully funded by local authorities. Foundation schools, which are funded by local authorities but are owned by the school governing bodies, are charitable foundations. Then voluntarily schools, originally established by voluntarily bodies, mainly churches, and now largely funded by local authorities. Now about homeschooling. Homeschooling is attending school is not compulsory. The only demand is that every student receive an efficient full-time education suitable to this age, ability and aptitude, either by regular attendance at school or otherwise. Over 50,000 students are homeschooled each year and increasing 17%. Now its curriculum. Core subjects are English, mathematics, science, arts, geography, history, music, design and technology, information and communication technology, physical education, religious education, sex and relationship education, career education and citizen education. Now examination is for SAT 11+, GCSE, AS level and A levels. Now fee paying schools are public schools, common entrance exam, preparation school and preparation for public school. Higher education deals with 30% of the 18 to 19 years old. 2 A levels, grade E or above is required, and Oxbridge universities. Now higher education is for the 3 type of institutions: universities, colleges and institutions for higher education, and art and music colleges. Our universities are autonomous institutions and they determine their own admission policy and requirement. Non-university level post-secondary studies, technical and vocational. Now school terminologies are breaks, organization of a school year, spring term, autumn term, summer holiday, Christmas holiday and Easter holiday. Now school timing is for day school lasts from 9 AM until 3:20 PM. Lessons are 1 hour and 15 minutes long. Break at morning is 11:40 AM, which is last towards 20 minutes. At break time, students usually eat a snack. Then lunch is at 1:15 until 2, and students stay in school and they either bring their own lunch in lunchbox or they can buy lunch from their school canteen. Now teacher development, creative teaching in British and culture creative teaching courses for secondary and colleges, content language integrated learning, creative teaching and training development, teacher development courses for groups. Now teacher education in England is effective from 1904. Local education authorities are allowed to establish their teacher colleges. As from 1921, the British University include teacher education program in their curriculum. For the degree in education, students would spend 3 years and the 4th year would be for their teaching practice, after which a university diploma or certificate in education will be awarded. Then is the Mean-Air Report of 1944, among others, recommended that universities as well as teacher training colleges should work hand in hand for the general improvement of teacher education. For the Education Act of 1944, the primary school teachers were of 4 categories. Number 1 is certified, number 2 is uncertified, number 3 is supplementary, and number 3 specialist teachers. And now discuss about while the teachers for the old elementary schools were trained in 2-year colleges after their secondary education, secondary school teachers were trained in 1-year teachers diploma course at the university departments after graduating either from the Faculty of Arts or Science. On the other hand, the teachers of independent public schools were degree holders. Now conclusion is UK has the best education system as compared to other countries in the world. UK has good education institutions equipped with modern technologies and have innovative teaching faculties.